What is going on, guys? Welcome back. In today's video we are going to be unboxing some new Grovemade products because, as you know, I am in love with Grovemade products. My most popular video is a Grovemade video, and I will link that somewhere in the top here so that you guys can watch that if you haven't already seen that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the video. Alright guys, so we are here with the box from Grovemade. As you can see, this box has never been opened. It's sealed. I like to actually do real unboxings. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and don't mind me using my daughter's little scissors. Very cute purple. Don't let that distract you from what we're here to do. Let's go ahead and open up this box. And here we go. And I always love this. They always leave nice notes and give you these beautiful booklets that you can see with some of their products. We bought quite a few things, me and my wife. So this one is actually addressed to her. So let's go ahead and start to get some of these things out. They package things really well. So right off the top, I know this is a pen cup. So there you have it. It is the Walnut Pen Cup. Next up, we have this booklet, which is pretty cool. It's made out of leather, and it allows you to keep notes. You know, a lot of times when I'm planning these YouTube videos, I want to keep notes somehow, and this is really nice for me to use. Great quality as usual with Grovemade products. Feels great. Let's go ahead and move on. Here we have the mat. I'm gonna leave that for a second. Here we have the TrackPad. Let's go ahead and crack that open. And I will show you what that looks like later on in the video. This is a keyboard pad for you to place your palms on. I already have this. This one is for my wife, so we can go ahead and move on. This is the keyboard tray, which I also have. So you've already seen me unbox this. And if you have not, I will link you to a video, the first video that I created, which is actually my most popular video to date, which shows you me unboxing a lot of these products already. And finally, here we have their headphone walnut holder. How do I get this out? I'm going to unfortunately have to rip this, and I hate to do this because they package things so well. But here you have it. It's made out of walnut. It has leather on the sides, and this is going to hold my headphones on my desk. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut to some B-roll showing you some of these things set up in the office after unboxing them. Actually, one thing that I forgot was this. It's just the desk pad. I already have one, but I wanted to get the leather one because it blends better and it has better contrasting against the walnut here. So here is the other one. It's the felt material, and you know, it has more texture and everything, but I like the contrast of the black. I have some of the other products here. As I said earlier, this is my own personal ones before I bought it for my wife, and you know, you can see the black here on the black. Just looks a lot nicer in my opinion. But yeah, now we can go ahead and cut to that B-roll. well, we just finished unboxing a lot of those products and watching some B-roll. So I would like to thank you for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are not, but you come by the channel often and you watch some of my videos, please consider subscribing also. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.